This is how involuntary carbon dioxide works, and this is how your money mindset works. Lesson 10. Living your best insurance and investing life. Owning life insurance and investing in long-term savings are vital for the financial well-being of your family. But allocating funds for both can be a tough choice. Wanting to protect loved ones while growing your finances at the same time can feel like you're in a tug of war. Outcomes become uncertain and the right thing to do is hard to see. But think of Zurich's expert advisors, a strong choice who'll help evaluate your life stage, family situation and long-term financial goals to provide you with a flexible solution that lets you allocate a percentage to both investment and insurance. Split it however you like. The choice is yours. This is where the benefits pile up, including tax benefits in some jurisdictions, the comfort of leaving your insurance and investment decisions to experts, or how easy investing becomes when you're not losing time to admin. Navigate insurance and investing the right way, and any future challenges will be light work. It's another one of the ways your money mindset works.